Ken from Shiitake. This time we'll explain 5 things to be careful during second incubation of log-grown shiitake. Before that, look at this! Shiitake mushrooms have finally come out from this real shiitake. Yes! I've shooted video for more than half a year, and it would be so sad if nothing's come out. There are only 3 shiitake mushrooms in total. Finally, Whopper did a great job, and thanks Whopper! Alright, let's get back. We're pretty sure you already know all the basic management methods up to the second incubation. For those who say, no, I don't know, who are you at all? Please watch the previous videos from the description that appears when you press the title. We recommend you to watch them first. Let me review lastly. The logs inoculated with shiitake spawn are stacked tightly in a firewood stack and covered with a plastic sheet to moisturize. This is first incubation. When white mycelium appear and grow sufficiently from holes and log ends, rearrange them to make some rooms between logs to supply oxygen. This was second incubation. And the second incubation normally continues until the time when shiitake mushrooms fruit in autumn. You have to manage them for about 5 months from early summer to early autumn. In the meantime, there are various dangers and bushing that will ruin the shiitake logs. So this time, I will explain 5 things to be careful during second incubation. As usual, we'll divide in multiple videos, and at the end we'll upload the omnibus, so it is okay to watch only the omnibus. Also, since we are using our own cultivation method as an example, I think that there may be, it is not common way, but we would be grateful if you could incorporate it as a new sense of value. We'll explain on the assumption that your mushroom cultivation history is within a few years or beginner. As we say every time, it is our personal opinions and not general theories, so please make your own judgment. Let's go! It's okay if it rains moderately. If shiitake logs don't retain water properly, they will be dried out. However, it is dangerous when it rains for a long time.